Welcome back to another quick answer to a quick question. And someone left this question under one of my videos about Etsy. I think it's a really good question. And basically, they said that they offer gift wrapping as a free service, but they don't know how to put that in there because if you check gift wrapping, then people have to pay for it. So, what you would do if you want to do this is put gift wrapping in as a variation, and you'd have to do this on each listing individually. Sorry about that, but you could put a variation of gift wrapping in each listing and just put the price the same or put zero. I'm not sure if you can put zero for the price for Etsy. You probably have to put something. So just put the same price. So for example, let's say that I'm selling someone a mug and it's $15 for the mug, which I know is not high enough. But anyway, so they pay $15, but then in the variations, you can put different prices on different variations. So for the, you would do mug only, $15, and they could do mug and gift wrap, $15. So there's two separate items, same price. And you can do that. You can set different prices for different variations in the Etsy listing manager, and that's how you would do it. So that way people could choose gift wrap if they want. They won't pay extra for it. And yeah, that's the only way to do it, because if you check off gift wrapping available, then you have to set a price to it and people have to pay for it. But set it up with variations and you don't. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up and I will talk to you later.